In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your old Facebook account even if you do not remember its login and password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and the first thing we need to do is to go to our old Facebook profile. It can be different ways how we can do that. I'm gonna show you the most common. So you can just go to search and then just search for your old account by its name. It will show you some users. Here we can go to people to get more options, and from here, once we find our old account, we just need to go to its profile page, then tap at the three dots and then tap at report profile. After that, select pretending to be someone and then tap at me. Once you've done that, hit at submit to send this report to Facebook support team. For the better effect, I recommend you to ask your friends or family members to do the same. However, on that step, instead of selecting me, they need to tap at a friend, and then they need to search for your current Facebook profile. You must be added as a friend, obviously, so they just need to search for your current profile, select it, hit at next, and then hit at submit to send the report to Facebook support team. You can just send this video to your friends and family members to help them go through all of these steps. And then after some time, once your repost will be reviewed, your old account will be deleted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.